Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Discovery Plus app on your Xbox Series X, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming your favorite content. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox Series X console and ensure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. Navigate to the Microsoft Store from the Xbox dashboard using your controller. Step 3. Search for the Discovery Plus app in the store and select it from the search results. Step 4. Download and install the Discovery Plus app on your Xbox Series X console. Step 5. Open the Discovery Plus app after installation is complete. An activation code will appear on your screen. Step 6. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the Discovery Plus activation website at discoveryplus.com activate. Step 7. Log in with your Discovery Plus account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your Xbox screen into the website and click Activate. Your Xbox will automatically refresh and grant you access to all Discovery Plus content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.